In this video, I'll show you how to set up MSI Afterburner on your PC so you can benchmark games and monitor key stats like GPU and CPU temps, frame rates, and usage all in real time. Plus, MSI Afterburner is completely free to download and use. Go to the official MSI website, visit msi.com, link in the description. Click Download Afterburner. The downloaded file is a compressed zip folder. To extract it, you'll need 7-zip or WinRAR. If you don't have it yet, download it. Right-click the MSI Afterburner zip file. Select Extract here. Delete the zip file, not needed anymore. Open the MSI Afterburner setup file and begin the installation. Leave RivaTuner statistics server checked, important for OSD display. Choose the installation location. Default is C drive. Click Next and complete the installation. Open the app and click on the Settings gear icon. Select what you want to display while gaming. GPU temperature and usage, CPU temperature and usage, RAM usage, frame rate, FPS. For each stat, click Show in on-screen display, OSD. Click Apply, then OK. Open RivaTuner. If there's no desktop shortcut, search RivaTuner in Windows. Alternatively, find it in Hidden Icons, bottom right of the taskbar. Change the display color. Use a bright color like neon green for better visibility. Resize the OSD text by adjusting the slider. Now, let's load up a game and see our real-time performance stats. That's it! You've successfully set up MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner for real-time game monitoring. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next one.